Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, since the recent 5-day sell-off, the market has reversed from this engulfing candle and snapped to the upside and breaking through the midway point on the RSI, which now gives some questions that have we seen a bottom, not quite reaching that 66.5 to 67 cents. Nevertheless, technicals haven't fully recovered from the MACD. I'm a little bit skeptical after the recent RBA minutes still pointed to a tightening bias, which may be giving a little bit of a lift, but the Federal Reserve remains on hold and geopolitical risks linger as talks continue. All eyes are on the non-farm payrolls this week, with 56,000 jobs added versus the negative 92,000 that was posted previously. But the unemployment still expected to hold around 4.4%. So with the RSI just managing to break through, I feel that it is still mixed and therefore still keep an eye out in case we do get a topside rejection around this 69.35 to 69.90. And if so, looks back towards that bottom side around 68 cents. The euro, well, the market is attempting to break higher, but still struggling as it looks towards this resistance around 116. I feel that there is still a little bit risk to the downside unless we get this strong move in the MACD and therefore look up towards 117 as a potential target. While the bull trap may have been set after 160 rejection, markets tumbling quite heavily and looking down possibly now to 156 as a target. Given the fact 3-day sell-off has supported this move to the downside, I still feel the bulls may bail out and watch this tumble. Sterling also attempting to recover, but I still feel there's a bit more upside if we get a break above 133 and leading on to around 133.70. But I feel this is just a recovery since the recent sell-off that we've been seeing. A good rebound in gold as it now breaks above 4,700. I'm a little bit skeptical on how this market's moving. It still seems to be whipsawing given the fact we saw this heavy sell-off down towards 4,100. And the rebound, well, may have caught the market a little bit off guard. Let's see if we can see that rally. And that is on towards the region of 4,770 or 4,800 as a potential target. And another tumble coming into oil as it posts that engulfing candle. Gets the confirmation from half this candle here. And now looking back towards the region, somewhere around $88 a barrel and reassess. Technicals have buckled and broken, and therefore let's see if the tumble can continue. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look out the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.